these matrices is when I'm doing a class 3 restoration. You see, I'm placing it like this. I get beautiful contact and contour. You see, this is not given in any textbook. I'm just showing you. If you are doing class 3, if you are doing class 4, if you are doing Diasterma closure, these Fendermates are very, very helpful. You see. So now what I do is I take my flowable composite. I can create my contact. Otherwise, I have to use my mylar and hold it on one finger and pull it, push it. It's not that great. See, it's so easy. You see. See, I get the right contour, right convexity. Yeah. So basically, you can use Fendermate for anterior and posterior. It's mostly for posterior, but if you want to be a little different and if you want to get the right contact and contour, you can also use it for anterior. See.